In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a panorama in Photoshop the easy way. It's a handy skill to learn, especially if you're looking to stitch together multiple images into one seamless picture, creating stunning panoramas perfect for showcasing landscapes or wide-angle shots. Let's dive right in. To start this process, we first need to open Photoshop. Once the program is open and ready, navigate to the top of the window. Look towards the left and you'll see the File menu. Go ahead and click on File and then scroll down to find Automate. Hover over it and you'll see another menu pop up. From here, click on Photo Merge. This is a powerful tool within Photoshop that makes creating panoramas a breeze. Now that you've opened Photo Merge, you'll see the layout options on the right side for merging your photos. But before we get into that, let's focus on adding our images. You need to collect all the photos you want to merge into one file. To do this, you can click on the Browse button, which will open a File Explorer window. Here, you'll need to locate the images saved on your computer that you wish to include in this panorama. A little tip: if you want to select multiple images at once, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. This will allow you to click on the first and last image in a series, selecting all images in between, speeding up your workflow significantly. With your images selected, click Open to add them to Photo Merge. You'll see them populate in the Source Files list. Make sure you've added all the necessary photos for your panorama before moving on. Once you're satisfied with your selection and you've double-checked everything, look at the bottom right of the Photo Merge dialog box. You'll see an OK button. Simply click on OK. Photoshop will start processing the photos. This step might take a bit of time, especially if you're working with high-resolution images or if your computer isn't the fastest. During this process, Photoshop is busy aligning layers and blending images together, so patience here is key. Once the magic is done and Adobe Photoshop has worked through its task, you should see a beautifully merged panorama that combines all your individual images into one. And there you have it. You've just created a panorama using Photoshop's Photo Merge tool. The final step is to review the generated image, make any necessary adjustments or crops to tidy up the edges, and then save your masterpiece. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try this with different sets of images until you feel comfortable with the process. Thanks for watching, and happy photoshopping.